So here, this is my site. In my site, if I'm sharing for your content on your Twitter, there are two options. Suppose if I'm sharing for homepage content, automatically I can't share to in Twitter. So we can using for third-party tools or we can using for plugins. So right now I'm not using any kind of plugins. Simple logic I can using for go to Twitter. The option call is Twitter ads. So I'm clicking for Twitter ads. It's asking for your payment mode. Just click for back. In this, just I'm clicking for edit access to account. This option when Twitter ads is enabled, you can using this access. Now click for view ads manager. View ads manager. When you click for view ads manager, the option call is create campaign. Create campaign. When using for paid campaigns on Twitter, the option call is totally 8 and option call is website clicks or conversion. I'm not doing for any paid ads. Just I'm doing for posting for website clicks purpose. Why? Because in my home page I don't have any plugin. But anybody click on my home page, they're going to where? On my website homepage purpose. I'm clicking for website clicks or conversion. In this, don't select any option. Click for next. Next. After that, is what is that? Create tweet. I tell you the both tweets. One is called come into your profile. Here, how many options are there? Photo or video, GIF images, and create a polls. Come into your paid ads. What is that? Select photo, select video. What is that? Select card. This option only eligible for the paid ads only. Select your card. Click for card library. Without clicking for paid ads, I'm generating for my website traffic. The option call create a card. What the option call is website card. Select it. First of all, select your image. Image your own wish. So I'm using for this option call is post it. Image is done. Crop. Title. My homepage title, my title, both are not same. I can promote that particular title on my homepage. Copy this URL. Paste it. What is that? Card name. Writing for same as this. Just understand purpose. Now click for create your card. My title, my homepage title, both are different. The people coming to your site purpose and give by my own title here. Click for create. Here I'm not using any kind of plugins. I'm not using for any kind of tools. Just see here. For that, more than 70 characters. Page. Done. After that, what is that? Tweet. After getting your card, click for tweet. Now select here. Add your header. Alt. WordPress. By Ash. Sister Rakesh. After that, disable promoted only. Why? Because I'm not creating ads. I'm creating for organic post. Click for tweet or schedule your post. There are two options. One is a tweet, second will be schedule your post. Now click for tweet. This card library option enabled for when ads will be created. One ad will be created successfully, the card library will be enabled for your Twitter library. You're not enable one single ad, the card library will be not enabled. Any account, first of all, create one ad successfully, the card library will be activated. So come into your tweet, or check your tweets. How many? 3100. Image will showing for here. If anyone click this image, they're going to where? On your website main page. So your image will be different, your site will be different. This enable only for any website. First of all, image is the first preference. Any image, why you can show the first preference? People, if you're showing any images, small images, we can't visible to the users. So that is called, we can use it for enable for large image purpose. We can use it for card library on your Twitter profile account. So this library will be activated. What will do? Simple thing, just go to your Twitter account. First option call is Twitter ads. Create any one ad using your payment method. Don't add any payment method. Click for back. Just edit ads to your account. Once come into your account, if you go to ad manager, in your campaign you can create by the n number of options. Total 8 ads will be there. After any one ad will upload, it will be accepted. Or they showing only for refresh tweet. One ad is successfully created. This create tweet will be showing on your Twitter library. That is called your card library posting on your multiple card purpose. So this is called website promotion using Twitter without using any plugins and any tools.